here we have another day. Our son trying out a new type of food. This time it's a vegetable type food. And you see he's desperate for his meal. It's his baby afternoon feeding time. So Laura's going to show the jar, give a close-up of what the meal is. Bring closer. So it's Heinz mixed vegetable. So Heinz by nature mixed vegetables. So here we're going to feed him the meal. Put the jar to one side, Laura, to one side of the... A bit more to the side, it's not sticking out of him. Yeah, that's it, that's it. That's it.
Are you ready then?
It just looks better on the film when you're filming it. Let's see how he takes his vegetable. Does he like it? Ooh, not bad. Not bad. He eats the neck one. So this is very good for his constipation to have vegetables and fruit.
I don't think he's going to eat this one. It's not nice. It's not nice, is it? No.
He stumbles about 3 spoons. And then he said, what is this stuff?
Ooh, it's yucky. Oh, yeah. Yuck.
Kicking his legs. Oh, what is this stuff you've given me, Mummy and Daddy?
He's like, where's the fruit? Yeah, it's not nice.
Don't matter, still give him the food. See how much of it he can stomach.
Oh.
Vegetables! Salads!
It's got potatoes in it. Oh, they're not
Well, when it comes to sweets and lovely foods, chocolates and cakes, then we like it. When it comes to vegetables and salads, babies don't like it so much.
It's nasty.
It's the best stuff. Yeah, keep feeding. This stuff you have to encourage your baby to get used to it.
Oh, what is that taste? He's doing well.
I think he's doing well.
Because I had a slice of it and knew threw up.
See what I'm making poo. So latest news on our son's passing stools. He's pooing a lot better now.
He is, yeah.
Bowels are moving good. We've got over our worry of constipation. So you can see you don't like this flavour. He says, how disgusting.
Stinky stuff.
Have you got any more fruit ones?
I have got fruit.
So you have fruit later on. We want to see if he eats this whole jar.
Sit down there.
This we're going to record right to the end.
It's not nice, is it? Oh. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, slow down a little.
Oh, wait,
Let's get a bit closer.
I don't want that. I hate it. Oh.
Are there any of you out there giving your children or babies? You start here. Are there any of you out there who are feeding your baby Heinz by nature mixed vegetables? Do let me know how your baby gets on with it, if they like it or dislike it, in the comments below.
Thanks.
You want some water, are you?
Yeah.
If something tastes off, as adults we know, don't we? Laura, something I was thinking about. But as a baby, if something's off, all they can do is cry.
Yeah, so
And
that's how they respond.
and you feed them it. So when you taste it, it tastes off, or it just tastes the flavour.
No, it's just the flavour.
Okay.
It's got lots of vegetables in there. It stinks.
I just have to be sure about it.
It smells like veg. Funky. It's got potatoes, fresh beans, spinach, carrots, and courgettes, and water. Good boy.
How much of the jar has he eaten so far?
About a quarter, or just under a quarter.
We're going to stay with it. We're going to see how much he eats of it. I'm just wondering at what point he's going to say, that's enough of this. At what point is it going to come?
Oh. Oh wait. You don't want any more, does he? That's enough, I reckon.
I think he can eat some more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're feeding slow, that's all.
Gross.
You don't like that one.
No, it's not nice.
If that's just a quarter jar he's eating, right, obviously he's not going to eat it. It's very important that he eats, isn't it? It's very so give him another one. If you don't eat it. If he doesn't eat more than half, give him another one. Another jar. Different type.
The fruit one. No. What is that?
I'm not ready for this disgusting stuff. Heinz by nature, yuck.
Yuck.
I don't like it, he says.
Yeah, I want a fruit one.
I'm a fruit baby.
Like mummy.
Leon, you're a fruit baby, aren't you?
Yes.
You're a fruit baby.
I prefer fruits.
Give one more spoon and see if he eats it. Put another jar on there for him, another jar, different flavour.
Yeah, but also
Because it's very important for your baby to eat, you see. To be fulfilled and have a good meal. And this way he's not getting a good meal. He's struggling, he's crying throughout the process. So this is the end of part 1. We're going to see part 2. If he eats a second jar of a different flavour. Leo, we're going to give you another jar. We're going to give you another jar. Another jar. Make his bottle or something. Or... Use another pan. Okay. Best pans to use are the small pans. They keep the heat in more, not the frying pan. Use our pan, it keep the heat in more.
I'll find it quick.
End of part 1, we'll see you back in part 2. By the way, it's recorded with Panasonic GH5S and Olympus Zuko 35mm lens f2 up to about f4. So we're shooting at MOV 4K 10-bit 25p 400 megabytes per second or intra. See you in part 2.